Hey everyone, it's Papa, Cheer Up Nation. Why am I so happy? Because Little Debbie just contacted me and asked if I'd hand out cupcakes on Friday at Hollywood and Highland. And I said, of course, because my family grew up on Little Debbie. And now, even better, I have my family and they love Little Debbie. So the question is, which Little Debbie is the best? There's the cream pies, the fudge brownies, the zebra cakes, the Swiss rolls, nutty bars, honey buns, and the chocolate cupcakes. This is the one I'll be handing out. So I decided to do a little taste test. Plate, please. Okay, here's all the cupcakes and the sweets. This is how it's gonna work. Okay, ready, Sienna? I'm gonna sample each one and we'll see which one Sienna likes based upon my sampling. Okay, ready? I have 15 seconds. Okay? 1, 2, 3, go. Mmm. 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 Swiss cupcake rolls it is. Bye everyone. Come join me Friday, Hollywood and Highland.